Hi, third graders. For today's response to reading, you're going to think back to your winter break. You're going to write 2 paragraphs. Each paragraph should be 3 to 5 sentences long, and your paragraphs will be about what you did or maybe what you wanted to do over winter break. Be sure to include lots of details and write in complete sentences. So here's an example of a paragraph, but this one is about summer break. So it says, over summer break, I went to Kings Island with my family. We had so much fun riding all the rides. My favorite ride was the Banshee. It went so fast. We also got to eat some yummy pizza and have ice cream before we left. I also got to go swimming with my cousins. We went to Tui Pool and swam all day. My aunt packed lunch and snacks for us so we didn't have to go home. She made sure we put on lots of sunscreen so we didn't get burnt. I can't wait to go back. So again, yours is going to be about your winter break. 2 paragraphs. Each paragraph is 3 to 5 sentences. Be sure to submit this back to your teacher when you're finished.